Hello everyone, so this is the summary of the poem I Hear It Was Charged Against Me by Walt Whitman. So these are the important points. This poem was published in 1860 in poet's book Leaves of Grass. This poem shows that the poet was criticized for being homosexual and for advocating unnatural and illicit love in his poems. In this poem, the poet defends himself against the charges of destroying established social institutions like family and marriage. In this poem, the poet states that he wants to establish the institution of comradeship and fellow feeling in America. This is the text of the poem. I hear it was charged against me that I sought to destroy institutions, but really I am neither for nor against institutions. Only I will establish in the Manhattan and in every city of these states, inland and seaboard, and in the fields and woods and above every key, little or large, that dents the water, without edifices or rules or trustees or any argument, the institution of the dear love of comrades. So when the poem starts, poet says that he is neither for nor against the existing social institutions. He has not destroyed these institutions like family or marriage, but he wants to establish the institution of comradeship and fellow feeling in Manhattan and in every city of America. He would like to establish this feeling of comradeship in fields, woods, on the sea and land and everywhere in America. This institution of the dear love of comrades should flourish and spread without being prevented by any religious concern, any rules and regulations, or any arguments. And here the poem ends.